point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, it's a little windy out here, but it's the less wind we've had in a week, so I'm going to try a little bit of practice here with the old Mini 2. So I'm just going to go up first and see what we can do. Try the droney.
Three.
Okay, this is the droney.
1.
So that works. So it's going to back up and show the whole scene there. Really cold out here. Just about freezing. Okay, that worked pretty good. Now it automatically comes back to the starting point. Okay, now I'll try the circle one here. Okay, so back to quick shots. We'll do the circle. And we'll try that 80 feet. Start that one. There.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is the circle one. It's an 80-foot circle. So trying that. I think I'm above those power lines. I hope so. Yeah. Okay. So that's the circle. Looks like it's working pretty good. It should stop about there. Yeah, that works good. So we'll stop that one. So now I'll try the helix. This will be the helix. So I'll do that 80-foot helix there. So we'll try that one. Start. Draw a box around me and
3,
start.
2, 1.
This supposedly goes around and it rises up as it's going around, and it looks like that's what it's doing. That's a pretty cool shot. And you should be able to see some of the round sounding sky. Yeah, kind of like that helix. And then it should return back to where it started. Let's see if it does. Come on back, drone. Mr. Mini 2. Okay, we'll stop that one. Oh, it's still returning. Right back to where it started. Very good. Okay. Now I'm just going to fly up a little bit and get some of the surrounding scenery here. We're up in the Horse Heaven Hills here in the Tri-Cities. Let's go up in altitude a bit here. Pretty windy up there, but I'll do a slow panorama here, see if I can make it slow. Like I say, it's a very cold, little wind now, a freezing temperature, so I'm not going to stay out here too long. But I need to practice some of this slow movements for the cinematic look. There's the Columbia River down there, and there's a pulp mill down there at Wallula.
Landing.
Yay, it landed.